Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Voice. Open the Gemini app and sign in, then enable microphone access and pick a preferred voice. Start with short prompts and speak clearly to get accurate replies. Use follow-up questions to refine results and test background noise handling in different rooms. Explore tone, language, and assistant style settings to match your needs and practice common tasks to build confidence and speed. Sign in, grant microphone permission, and choose a comfortable voice profile to start. Adjust language and regional accents for better recognition, and set privacy options so only needed data is kept. Test with simple prompts like asking for a summary or translation to confirm accuracy. If responses lag, check your connection and close other apps. Regularly update the app to access the latest voice improvements and features for smoother interactions. Speak clearly and keep prompts short and specific for best results. Use follow-up questions to narrow answers without re-explaining context, and employ role-based prompts to control tone and detail. Pause briefly between sentences so the model captures each thought correctly. If accuracy dips, rephrase or provide an example. Use Gemini for drafting, coding help, or translations, and combine voice with text for a hybrid workflow when precision matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.